What have we got there? This is what you and I were
This is
discussing.
brand new, hot off the press, and this is for people not like myself.
This is very
the
new.
all new Tamiya
It's hard to get in focus.
Chrome Series. This is
Normal, intelligent people.
maybe for you,
Yeah.
because you are quite the painter. Definitely aimed fair and square at the model market.
This is very new.
All new Tamiya
It's hard to get in focus.
Chrome Series paints.
Now this is not
Tamiya.
RC paint, all right? Don't
This is
get it
model
wrong.
paint. I'm not saying you can't use it in RC, but what we have here, we have two items. We have this one here, which is the primer, which is what goes down first on your plastic model. That is your basically very, very smooth black paint.
Lick.
I don't know what makes it so smooth, and I don't know what makes it so good. I have seen actually other YouTubers and stuff like that use this stuff who've got it before the Australian market, and it has been amazing. So if you are going to use this brand new mirror paint, this chrome paint from Tamiya, you want to put down your primer first. There you go. So brand new. It's like two-part epoxy, right?
Yeah.
First the black, then the mirror. Have you got an opening device?
No.
Somebody's going to want to buy this. I like that it comes in a box. It's a bit weird.
Yeah, it makes it a bit classy, though.
It does, doesn't it?
It does.
But apart from that, so two parts. More primer than paint. Let's go to overhead 10. I haven't used the overhead today. I'm feeling a little bit out of sync with the overhead. Let's put us in a little box in the corner there. Let's have a good look. Can you read the instructions?
Just.
Here you go. This light's all in Japanese.
That's Japanese.
Still Japanese.
Yeah.
A lot of Japanese in there.
Oh, we didn't get
But
far
anyway,
with
and I believe they're lacquer-based paints by the smell of them.
The smell.
Yeah, I don't believe that they're acrylics. They're lacquer-based paints. And these were announced at Shizuoka Toy and Hobby Fair in Japan back in, I want to say May.
May. Yeah.
May, Shizuoka. Is it every year?
I saw it and I thought, oh, that could be interesting.
And a lot of other manufacturers have been into chrome and mirror paints for quite some time. And I can't believe that it's taken Tamiya this long, i.e. 60 years, to come out with something. However, they have, and you know, if Tamiya do something, they generally do it pretty bloody well. Yeah. So very highly regarded. If you are looking for mirrored paints, whether you are brushing it or in fact airbrushing it. Apparently if you airbrush it, you can use it straight out of the jar. It does feel rather thin for a Tamiya paint. So yeah, airbrush it straight out.
That's a characteristic of most chrome paints. They're very, very thin.
Very, very thin. Do you want to have a look in there?
Yeah, and I want to have the smell of it.
There?
Yeah.
A good sniff?
Yeah, I can tell a lot of things by just the smell.
Can you?
Well, you for a start.
Well, you know it's not shower day, right?
No, of course not.
Lacquer paint for sure.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus.
What?
Oh, hang on. I've just grown a few hairs. Yeah, that's pretty strong.
Is it?
Yeah.
Don't know. I don't really.
Well, for me to smell, because I normally can't, like I use SMS paint, as you know, and I can barely smell that. That one put a tremble through my trellis.
Oh, really?
Yes. That one. Yeah, that's lacquer.
So this smells a bit different. Like it smells the same, but a bit different.
That's not as strong, but it's still lacquer. Yeah.
It's still lacquer, but not as strong, right? Anyway, so there you have it. Brand new hot products from Tamiya. This is for the model guys primarily.
Yep.
But yeah, get amongst this. This is the brand new mirror finish series from Tamiya.
On our website now.
On our website.
You can order that now.
Or come in store and grab it.
Yeah, because if you order it now, we're not sending it out today.
Well, we still got it probably half an hour before the postie comes. So that's not necessarily true. Ninja's pretty good. Ninja's pretty good at picking these things up.
Hang on, I've been packing all the stuff today. And I'm not doing it. I'm here.
The mirror paint is 10 milliliters. The primer is 23.
And judging from the smell, if you took a swig of it too, you'd be right off the planet.
Oh, I don't know that we can say that. But anyway, we can say that.
Well, we can say that.
Why not?